Hey y'all, attorney Roxelle Richards here with another episode of Behind the Gavel. We begin with breaking news from Toronto. Many have heard where an airplane crash landed at the airport, flipping upside down during the incident. Witnesses reported seeing this aircraft struggling to maintain altitude before it executed an emergency landing. Now, here's the deal. The flight, which was en route to Toronto from an undisclosed location, was carrying about 76 passengers and crew members. Fortunately enough, you guys, everybody survived, but some may have been injured. Probably, in fact, all have been injured, if nothing else, mentally injured. Now, even though reports are that there have been minor injuries and shock, the quick response of emergency services has been praised as they work swiftly to secure the scene and assist passengers. Details surrounding the cause of the crash are still emerging. Authorities are currently investigating the circumstances that led to this alarming incident, and preliminary reports suggest weather conditions may have played a role. Now, everything is still ongoing. There's still investigations, y'all, so we don't really know. There's not enough information out there. Now, as investigations continue, the airline involved has expressed its concern for the well-being of those affected and is working closely with authorities. Delta Airlines has announced that it will offer compensation to passengers aboard the recent Toronto-bound flight that crash landed and flipped upside down. Now, here's what they saying, y'all. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. Each of the 76 passengers are going to receive $30,000 in compensation for their ordeal. Purportedly, there's no strings attached. The flight encountered a critical situation leading to this emergency landing, as we all know. But here's my thing. Do y'all really think it's going to be no strings attached? Because if they give them something to sign, they may be waiving their rights. So I would make sure that you go and consult an injury lawyer just to make sure that what you're receiving doesn't waive any of your rights. Make sure that it doesn't just restrain or limit your ability to seek legal redress, because as we know, injuries take various amounts of different forms. Yeah, they might on the surface be minor, but when you're talking about mental trauma, that stuff is like a mental impression replaying every single day, and it can take a traumatic effect on how you behave and how you react when certain situations happen. So there definitely needs to be some compensation, and I would not put a price tag of $30,000 and think that that's fair, because it's not. If you have been injured, or if you got some questions, or if you received one of these $30,000 offers, y'all need to talk to me, attorney Roxelle Richards, 713-974-0388, or go to getinjuryhelp.net. Fill in your information, and my teammates will be reaching out to you. Thank you.